This video is about 2 weeks in length since the first clip was recorded till now. Right now it's the day before this video is posted, and this video is gonna have me putting the dash back, me finishing up the carpet, as well as cleaning the old seats and putting all the interior trim back in, and basically this car is gonna be running. I already got the battery, it's in the car, it's installed, I checked the lighting, I checked the wiring, most of it works, so pretty happy with that. Hopefully I don't have to rip off the dash again. We'll see when that happens, but right now, let's get on with the video. Alright, welcome back to part 2 of doing the interior of the Civic. Now I'm just gonna undo the seat clamps and hope that this carpet is all good. That did not work out as planned. God damn it. Okay, so that utterly failed. Some parts are okay, others are questionable. I really fucked up. I should probably put some sort of backing to keep it from sticking to the wood. So that's where I fucked up. So instead of continuing where I left off yesterday, I actually ruined the carpet. So I'm redoing the carpet, except now I'm doing it in smaller sections. This part actually came out alright. It is salvageable. This part was never done to begin with. And I cut out this entire chunk right here. Notice there's still the bend, so I didn't ruin the bend yet. And then right over there, I am just doing the front of it first, letting that cure overnight, and then I'm gonna do tomorrow. I'm gonna do this part. I'm gonna start there, then I'll do this part tomorrow. Let's see how it came out. Looking at the carpet now with that one piece being successful, I only have to fill in these parts right here, this chunk right here, and this little small area right here. I probably will do this bigger area in 2 pieces, as well as this area, just like one here and then one smaller piece right here. I really don't want to mess up because this is my last attempt. If anything gets messed up, then I really can't use this carpet anymore. I have yet to not mess up on an area. I've messed up on every part of this car, including the interior. Hoping for the best. After 2 days of trying to figure out everything, because this carpet is molded, it's very stubborn and it has mass backing, which makes it even more stubborn. That was where I went wrong. I should have just got the regular carpet. That's my fault. Nothing sticks to this carpet except for E6000 epoxy and when I attach the vinyl to the epoxy. With that said, no adhesive tape sticks to this back of this carpet because of the mass backing, but the adhesive tape sticks to the vinyl, which is glued onto the epoxy, which I figured out just now messing with the front carpet. Now it's just stuck. Yeah, I basically permanently glued it down, but all the wiring is relatively done and I don't have to worry about this ever again. Well, for now. And I can always put it on back later, so it's not a big deal to me. I really don't want to buy a new carpet right now because I just spent so much money so far. Alright, so I just finished. Now I'm letting it gonna cure for another 24 hours. But while I'm doing that, I'm just gonna finish the wiring in the front console. I still need to wire up the speakers over there, and I still need to clean up the wiring in that corner. Once it's all done, I'm just gonna put the dash back. So I'm gonna work on that today. Let's get to it. Well, I just took out this. It's the ventilation system. I don't know if the camera recorded that, but I'm just gonna like empty that out and clean all the dust off and just check this area. It looks pretty okay. All right, now I'm just gonna use these Swiffer dusters to kind of wipe down this, as well as I'm gonna go outside. I'm not doing this in here. I'm gonna go outside, dust it off. Then I'm gonna just kind of wipe through everything else one more time just to get off on the excess dust. I got the dash in, looking good, but I managed to fuck up because I didn't put the passenger airbag in. I technically don't need it because I don't really tend to have passengers, but you know, it's a safety thing, so I gotta have it in the car. I remember it being extremely hard already to take it out. Alright, so officially done. I'm officially done with the dash. Well, at least the main part of the dash. Now I just need to finish the wiring, fix up the carpet, and then I can put the car back together and it'll be complete. Alright, so I think I'm gonna stop working on the car today just to clean up everything. And I'm gonna move on to tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday, yeah, so I'll continue this tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey,
how you doing, Steve?
Hello, Richard. Hello. Well, you pick when you pick me up, it's what happens.
Look what I got.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Today's a new day and a new haircut because I got a haircut today. But the previous video was about the GTI and the wing not being able to. I couldn't put it on in the end because basically I was missing a bolt. Go watch that video. But anyways, just going to put the vinyl, take long vinyl strips and take epoxy and stick it to the back of the carpet so I can use it to mount the carpet using double-sided Gorilla Tape. The backing of, again, like I said, I think I've said it before, the backing of this carpet does not like to stick to Gorilla Tape. That's all I can do today because I already have limited amount of space. My car is full of crap and it takes 24 hours to cure anyways. That's just for the passenger side. Everywhere else I don't really need a stick on because the trim holds everything in place. On to tomorrow. So this is the next day. I got some new parts for the car. You know, the logo. A lot of things, a lot of good things. Time to go to Home Depot to get the interior cleaner for the seats because I am not getting new seats yet. I'm just gonna clean the old seats and see where that takes me. Hopefully it'll be less smelly and then I can reuse them for just a little bit, save up some money and get some new seats. Let's get to doing that. I've been holding off coming here, but I do need to come here. Now I'm back, I'm gonna get the seats out. I'm gonna clean them real quick, use this to just deep clean the seats and really try to get that disgusting old smell out and then let them dry for over the day and then continue tomorrow to really put everything back together in the car. So let's get to doing that today. So to the friends who've been in the Civic, this is why it smells so bad when in the passenger seat. It's supposed to be like this, like white, but it's like brown. Ooh. Just to show how nasty this chair is, a little right here. I'm gonna zoom up to this. See how brown this is? It's supposed to be like this. It's supposed to be white. Look at the color brown. Oh my god. What did they fill here? About 3 days later from the last part of the video where I cleaned the chairs, and well, here's the interior of the Civic. As you can see, everything's kind of put back together, and I'm just kind of hoping everything fits. I have the door cards, I haven't put those in yet, but right now I've been focusing on everything else in the car. The shift boot, as well as all the wiring here. I did test, this would be first test right here of car turning on. Ooh. Let's just see if this works. Oh boy, look at this. Oh, 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 oh. Ooh. By the end of this video, this interior is gonna be all filled up and I'm gonna be basically done.
Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again, state your name, big been dope on flame, I just switched the lanes, damn he did it again, I just flipped the pain, stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming, coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again. Pump up the action. Bitch, I'm active. If he never heard of been dope, he just napping.
It got a lot later. I had a little trouble with the glove box, but it is officially working. So for those who've been in my car before I started fixing it, this was completely broken. Now it totally works. And now on to the rest of the car where I just put everything together. Alright, it is super late and my dumbass got this bolt right here, this one, it got stuck and I basically, my seatbelt's stuck in reverse lock and there's not enough room. Basically, seatbelt is stuck, I need to take the bolt off because I need to release the seatbelt, but problem is that the bolt is now stuck and the threads are f***ed up. So I'm gonna end the video here. I am defeated. I'm gonna do all this in the next video. Please stay tuned. I am sorry that I basically said I was gonna finish this all in one go, but I ended up not doing that. Really gotta get better at that. But anyways, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like the video if you liked it, dislike it if you disliked it, and thanks for watching. Bye!